Alright, today we're in the trailer. I'm going to be working on putting solar panels on top of the roof. I have 4 solar panels. I think they're like 25 watts a piece from Harbor Freight. I've used solar panels before on a different channel. Used it for a kayak trailer to charge up my battery when I was like remote camping and stuff like that. I'm going to put it on the trailer for several reasons. I want to add lights to inside the trailer. So when I'm at, a job site, I can see in here if I'm closing up the doors or if I'm working late at night, I'll have lights. And also I want to charge up a deep cycle battery. I'm going to have a couple tanks. I'm picking up 3 tanks today for a buffer tank, a soft wash system, and surfactant tank, so a soap tank. And they're all going to go in here. I'm not sure where they're going to go yet. The soft wash tank, more importantly, is why I need the battery. I ordered a 12 volt pump coming in the mail. It should be here Friday, and I'm going to mount it to the trailer. I'm going to use that to do my soft wash for the roofs and any type of like brick, Bedford stone, stuff like that, some concrete. Instead of spraying it with the X-Jet, I noticed as I've been using the X-Jet, I do waste a lot of chemical due to overspray, and that could be a problem to some of the plants around the area. Most of the time when it spreads out like that, it's going to be real diluted. I also don't want to risk killing someone's plants, so a soft wash system has a little bit more of a pinpoint accuracy. I need a battery for that, and I want to be able to charge the battery, especially as I'm using it. The sun's going to be charging the stuff. I'm going to stop rambling. Let's get putting solar panels on. I got some metal screws that I'm hoping that hold them in place, and I got to get my silicone out to make sure the roof doesn't leak. Let's get going. Alright, panels. Alright, they got some metal screws. Got them from a yard sale for $1. I'm hoping that I can just drill into the sheet metal inside the roof here and it'll hold. I'll keep an eye on it. I don't want them flying off or anything. I don't drive at high speeds with a trailer. I don't even know if these are long enough yet. Let me check. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go get some silicone and we'll get putting them on the roof. Alright, I'm going to do a little bit in each one of these holes. I still have to go over there. I'm just eyeballing it. It looks pretty even except for that last panel. I'll move the ladder over there and I'll scoot it down for the last piece. But I'm just going to give a little bit of a squirt in each hole. If that starts leaking, I'll figure out a different way. Alright, so that's the majority of the screws. I'm going to put some more silicone on top to fill it in. It's like 45 degrees out here. It's pretty chilly. These definitely don't feel like they're going anywhere. Alright, the scary part is me drilling a hole in the roof big enough for these cords to go through. I'm just gonna go get, I don't know, we'll see what happens here. Alright, I got this step bit, drill bit. I'm just gonna go kind of right here in the middle. I'm gonna put it right here toward the front, and then I got this little grommet thing that I'm gonna feed everything to, and then try to get the same size hole for this thing, if that makes any sense. Look at that. It's a tad bigger than the hole's a tad bigger than I want it to. I'm gonna silicone the mess out of that. I mainly wanted the rubber thing to keep, if the trailer's vibrating, I didn't want the metal to cut my cords. I'm gonna start dropping these down in here, and then I'm gonna zip tie them together, I think, to keep them from moving around too much. I might put some type of cord protector on these to keep them out of the sun as best as possible. For now, I just want to get it hooked up. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Alright, that's what we got so far. Here are the cords going down to here. Some of the silicone's already drying. I'll do something with these cords later All right, we're in the trailer. I got this whole tub full of like solar panel stuff. I got them from like the storage unit, from this kit I bought. There's all kinds of little things, attachments for it. Solar charger regulator. I don't even know what half this stuff is. This is like the brains thing here. This is the controller. This is gonna go on the wall. I got some lights, so temporary lights. Until I get some LED strips, these are gonna be my lights. Plug it into this one. All right. That plugs right into there. I need to, as of right now, I mean, I was gonna put a shelf up here, everything. I think I was gonna put my battery somewhere on the trailer here, like this. I'll probably just set it up here for now. It's a wreck right now. I'm just trying to move into this trailer. I'm gonna make some space here, and then I'm gonna bring in a deep cycle battery. I'm hoping this battery's good. So now it has a 12.8, and then you got light options here. I'll show you all that here in a second. You can add additional solar panels, additional lights you can plug in, like LED lights. And then here's where you plug in these extra lights here. And I can charge my phone from it, so that's kind of nice. Sorry this video is kind of chaotic. So here are the lights that come with the thing. You plug them into the DC port, turn on the light, and then now you have a light. I'm going to run one to the back of the trailer and then have one up here as well. These are pretty bright at nighttime. So now if I'm working out here late at night or whatever, I can see what I'm doing. Let me get things kind of just wrapped up here, and I'll show you guys a big walk around of what we did. All right, I got it all kind of cleaned up quickly. That's what the video for today. I got the charger rolling. I got to clip all these little tag ends here. I got the line. I got a light over here in the corner, and I can turn off these individually as well. And I got a cord running all the way across here as well. The switch for this one here. And I got light to the back. I'm going to go through the rest of this stuff here later and see what else I can snag for this thing. So this is going to charge for a while. I'm going to turn off the lights. Yeah, my little light switch. We'll see what it gets up to. It's going to be my soft wash pump supply. So this thing has got to get charged up. Hopefully it's going to last me a while. It'll save me about $150 probably. That's all for today. My hands are pretty cold and numb right now. Been out here for a while. Hope you guys enjoyed the quick install of the solar panels. We're getting rain coming tonight, so that's gonna be definitely a sign. Oh yeah, all these little screws here. I forgot to check these. These are, I might grind all those off, or like saw all these off, so I don't poke my head. And then the other ones are coming through, yeah, right here in front of this. All right, I'm gonna go meet this guy for these tanks, and then I'll catch you guys later.